After I discovered this recipe, I never threw stale bread away. For this recipe, we will need 4 medium loaves of bread. Cut these loaves into slices. Now grease a baking pan with butter. Oh, and tell me in the comments where you're watching us from so I can thank you for following our recipes and send you a big hug. And then add all the slices of bread. Then, in a bowl, add 5 eggs, 1 cup of cream or natural yogurt, 1 teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and stir to combine. These spices will give a special flavor to your recipe, so you can use as much as you like. You guys, this bread is very easy to make and super delicious. I'm sure your whole family will love the result. And if you're still watching this video, you're loving our recipe. So like the video and write in the comments, "I love bread." When our sauce is ready, pour it over the bread. To continue, add 1 cup of grated mozzarella cheese on top. Finally, bake it in the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. And our recipe is ready. Now you just have to enjoy it. This is a different and super easy way to prepare bread with eggs. Be sure to make this recipe at home and then come back here to tell me how it turned out. We would love to know. I really hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.